How to delete account bio history on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account bio history, whether you've made a lot of changes or just want to start fresh. I'll walk you through it. First, let's talk about what bio history means. Instagram doesn't keep a history of all the changes you've made to your bio directly on the platform. However, it does store previous bios, especially if you've used third-party apps or have many edits. Now, if you're looking to clear it, follow these steps. First things first, open Instagram, go to your profile and tap on edit profile. Then under the bio section, delete any text you no longer want to appear. You can replace old information or just leave it blank to reset your bio. Now, if you've used any third-party apps that may have been saving your bio history, you'll want to revoke their access to your Instagram. To do that, go to settings, tap on security, and tap on apps and websites, and remove any third-party apps that have access to your account. Now, if you want to clear all history tied to your account, including bio data, you can download your Instagram data and delete specific parts. Lastly, if you access Instagram through a web browser, clearing your browser history can remove any saved bios or profile info stored by the browser. Open your browser settings and clear your history cache. And there you have it. These are some steps to delete or clear your Instagram bio history.